Description: the organic hair conditioner contains premium ingredients. Capsicum menthol that assist in stimulating the scalp, while vegan amaranth, keravis protein help strengthen rejuvenate your hair back to a youthful state. Packaging may vary. Benefits: strengthen, stimulate, revitalize, anti-aging, protect color, recommend for all scalp challenges. Suggested use: use after shampooing, apply the hair conditioner by massaging into the scalp and leaving for 60 seconds and rinse. Awaken Conditioner. Awaken your scalp. Rejuvenate your hair. Awaken Science is the solution. Love your full hair. Our conditioner strengthens and helps treat all hair and scalp challenges. Surface hair has formulated Awaken to assist with rejuvenation with natural ingredients to assist with growing longer hair stronger and faster. Alopecia. Stress loss. Psoriasis. Seasonal loss. Dandruff. Itchy scalp. Eczema. Oily scalp. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I prefer this shampoo, especially because it seems to add more moisture than other products and maintains natural curls.